So now they're the #1 shopping app in 2018. Okay, before they was #4, and that was like December 20, I don't know, like 22nd or something like that, where they actually talked about how they was #4, but I don't know where that's at. But anyways, so they're #1 right now, shopping app. Okay, you see, there's hundreds of comments. I mean, people obviously promoting like their links and stuff like that, but we're not going to show that all the way. So, they talk about how they actually came back this year strong with giving the extra $15, okay, for you and your family and friends to just share your link and download it, confirm, and connect a card and have them do the same routine. Okay? I mean, this is easy, man. So that's basically, this is like what I was saying before. They was doing it in December for the holidays. So the funds will basically be connected into your account. Last year was within 48 hours. Like I said, it could be between 40 and 72 hours this time, because now they're so popular that it may take a little bit of time. And you're probably wondering, how do I get my funds? Like I said, if you have not seen my other video, go to that video and you will see the options, how I did it. But you could connect your bank account if you want, or PayPal account from there. I do transfer to my PayPal account. If you're the type of individual who's looking for training on how to actually to share this, which is not hard, but if you need more guidance, message me if you're looking on Facebook, or basically comment in the section below in the video, or email me if my email is below, and I will provide you with that training. Follow me on my fan page, Crystal H. Okay, so at Creative Minds Empire, make sure you follow me. So something, for example, simple and easy. I mean, you could write something on Facebook like this. I did this earlier today. Who needs help paying their bills this month? I'm in a given mood today. Comment below, me or something. Something simple. It don't have to be anything major. Don't lie to people. Say, oh, you could make $800 when you haven't made $800. Just show your proof. Your proof videos, if you have any, once you start making money, because that piques a lot of people's interest. I mean, you could use Snapchat. You go to my Snap right here. You could screenshot it and follow me on there. You could actually make a Snap, a Snap video. I advertised this on my Snapchat. Okay, I was basically showing the proof that I made $105 this week thus far. Be different. Also, like I said before, if you're not following me, make sure you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. You can promote on Instagram by posting something. I'm not sure if I posted. Yeah, I posted it on Instagram as well. You could also promote on different other platforms, such as Facebook, like I said. If you're a type of individual, if you want to look for like work from home, there's a lot of work from home like groups and stuff like that. Also, like groups that are like for sale, or buy, like groups that are buying and selling everything based. You could do that one. Buy and sell groups. What else? Like mom groups. You got mom groups. You got free classified ads. You have Craigslist. When you do Craigslist, you don't want to like come off spamming, because a lot of people will flag you in popular areas. So like if you wanted to create like a Craigslist ad, you would go to, for those that don't know, you would go to Craigslist, whatever state you're in. Some people could go bypass this and like post in different other states. But so you would go like post, you'll go to service if you want. You can do service, or well, let's click on this, or job offer. I mean, not job offer, gig offer. 9 out of 10, you want to stick with gig offer. You know, do you want to hire someone? No, I would stick with I have a service to offer. Oops, not cell phone. Well, you can do cell phone, yeah. You can do computer. You can do labor. So I'm try to go back, but you could do labor, computer, phone. Okay, like stick to those: computer, phone, and labor. So you have a better chance for your ad to be posted without being flagged. Also, another one is Periscope. I did a video on Periscope. Actually, it was like a couple of weeks ago. I haven't been on, but I'm gonna do one. But you can do Periscope, and you can connect it with Twitter. I have mine connected with Twitter, and what you do is a broadcast of just like Facebook. When you go live, it's similar to that. So you could do that. I mean, there's so many ways you can basically promote this. I'm not gonna go all down into the mix of it. So, do your research on the app if you're a type of individual that is skeptical and don't know if you should basically download a free app that gives you cash back, to the local and online stores that you shop at, or that you're skeptical because you don't believe that they're giving you free $15 every time you basically download your app. Well, I get other people to download your link and link a debit or credit card to the profile. So anyways, this is Crystal coming at you with another video. Make sure you subscribe, like, give me thumbs up, and also stay tuned to other videos that I'm going to be sharing with y'all throughout this channel.